Hello, it's been quite some time, and today I am going to share with you my views about the euro against the American dollar. For your information, I am fully back to begin the free market analysis, but just for one pair every single day. Okay. All right, let's get going with the euro against the American dollar, and this is the weekly time frame. So let's analyze this pair from the weekly downwards. Okay, weekly, 4 hours, 1 hour, possibly 30 minutes time frame. All right, in the weekly time frame, we had been in an uptrend with that trend line. Okay, let me just use the standard trend line to draw that. We've been in an uptrend. I'm going to pick that focal point. From that point, change the color of that line to blue. All right, that's the uptrend line. You can see how price was bouncing off the line. Let me be more specific with this line. Okay, you can see how price was bouncing off that trend line, and eventually, after much hesitation, which was a sign of exhaustion for this pair, we got the breakout. Okay, so price broke out of that trend line. Right now the bears are still in control, but I think I honestly do think it is at an area where you should be hesitant hitting on your sell button, because we might see a sharp pullback again to that zone, either for a bounce or a continuation move to the upside. So at this area, this is a problematic zone. You must be careful hitting on your sell button in the euro against the American dollar. Now in the daily time frame, of course, we can shade. Let's just shade that problematic zone, taking the rectangle tool. Let's shade all of that. Okay, so I'm going to use the red line, the red color. All right, so at that particular daily area, you can see how price was actually finding support around that zone. It was an area of support before the breakout. So if you're looking to go short, you want price to at least make some pullbacks to that zone. That's the optimal area to begin to look for short opportunities. At this area, it is indeed quite risky to go short. You could also see that we have a previous level of support, this one here. So let's pick a line from that point. Previous level of support. Let me change that color again to red. Right, so that's the previous level of support there, again acting as support right there. You see why I say it is risky to go short at that particular level. So price is trading against support. Now is it right to just hit on our buy button straight on? Well, if you are trading that pin bar, that's Friday's pin bar, you can place a buy stop order, stop loss below the support. But if you want to pin your entry down quite precisely, moving to the 1 hour time frame. In the 1 hour time frame, let me draw this. You can see that sideways price behavior. So we are likely in the channel. Let's connect all of those highs, marking that in black, and the lower boundary of this channel. Okay, let me take this out of the 1 hour time frame so you can see what I am talking about. Okay, so that's the channel in the 1 hour time frame. The best place to pin your buy entry, bearing in mind that price is trading at an area where you should be searching for long opportunities, is to wait for price to make that push to the lower boundary of this channel that has been acting as support for a possible bounce to the upside. Okay, this is of course the upper boundary acting as resistance. So here is support, and the best point to begin to look for long entries based on your price action reading skills. Okay, I am not telling you or giving you a signal to click on your buy button as soon as price hit this level. You must be able to read price action more specifically, identify some certain patterns, some kind of price action or candlestick patterns around that area before you want to go long. Okay, all right, thanks for watching this. That's basically it for the euro against the American dollar. If you are interested, you can join the live trading room at www.learnforexlivesignals.com. We'll be there. We analyze the markets every single day. Bye for now.